me on a silly old holiday. I love going on a holiday. I love going on the holidays.
You've no doubt heard the saying about all work and no play. So we've decided to take off for a couple of days to take the children on a little bit of an adventure to see some of the attractions of northern Tasmania. The place we're heading to is Lorraine, a picturesque little town in the Meander Valley of northern Tasmania, and we plan to base ourselves at a country caravan park a few minutes out of Lorraine for a couple of days and explore the area. Our first stop was at a park in Lorraine, just a spot to allow the children to stretch their legs. It provided the unusual opportunity for the children to get close to a couple of black swans. After setting up our camp under the shadow of Crombie Bluff, we set off for Liffey Falls, a place we have been before, but the children had never been there. The road in is fairly narrow, but very picturesque. Here you see it presents a little bit of a challenge to drivers, particularly those from foreign countries that are not used to this type of road.
Where does this take us?
To the big tree. You see the big tree up there? Let's go and have a look at the big tree.
Big tree how far? What? Okay, I can't hear it.
Brown top, stringy bark, eucalyptus obliqua.
What's that for?
And that's the big tree, you see?
So can we have a closer look? Is it really old?
Yeah.
But that
Lucinda, away you go. Walk around it with Samuel.
Big tree. Look at the big tree. It's very tall, Mama.
Very tall.
It's more taller than me. Let's go down here.
Right, Samuel, down here.
What does it take it down?
Down to the waterfall.
What? Why is there art here?
Well, they thought it looked nice. See the ferns.
We.
Walk up there and it goes down to the bottom of the It's funny the patterns of rock. You see how flat it is on top?
Yeah.
The little grooves and how they're like pillars.
Look at that
Right, isn't it? Amazing.
Mummy, I
A lot
don't
of water
want you
comes
to
down here at times.
Dirt.
Let's go, Samuel.
Strong sticks down to the waterfall.
Okay.
And look down.
Samuel.
It's rock.
It's rock. Yeah.
To the beach.
It's interesting how the water wears the rock away, isn't it? After sometimes it keeps going and going.
It was amazing.
We set for return.
Yeah, we can go back.
So at the end of the first day, Samuel's really had it and ready to sleep. The next morning we headed off to one of the Mole Creek caves for an underground adventure. It's about going in the cave.
I wonder if those.
This is Maricopa Cave.
What does these two stuff say, Daddy? What do all these stuff
Those
say?
little signs. It says look out for the stalactites.
Why didn't I don't out for them?
Don't bump your head on them.
Yeah, don't bump your head.
A bit pointy.
Where are they?
Let's go find them.
So which way do we go, Samuel?
I think that way. Mom! Wait! Scary.
In the great cathedral, we're treated to an unexpected concert. Yes, they're concreted, Samuel.
Oh, so that's
On the way back from the caves, we stopped by the honey farm at Chudley to explore it a little.
Can we go inside? Do you see all the bees inside there? Now I want you to watch, alright? All the rosy bees are working in here, aren't they? And where do they go from? Do you see a hive outside? Look at that, how interesting.
Some bees there now.
They don't sting me in here.
The ones that you can get close to and they can't sting you. They're different types of
It's
hives.
like the English ones that we've seen, isn't it? You've got different types of beehives, okay? That's what this one. That one's called a flow hive. And that, you know what? They're out there going, and then they've made another hive, and here's even some exactly like that. You see the comb, the honeycomb in there? It's really yummy. You see them working in there? They're filling up the honey into there, and then they're going to seal over what we call caps.
So big.
And they're going to cap it over, okay? They fill it up and seal it.
Do you know bees in it? That one is the usual one.
But all too soon, our adventures in the Meander Valley had come to an end, and it was time to head home again.
It's time to go for my holiday. It's time to go for my holiday.